I'm Rosh Matani and I'm the founder of Alighieri Jewellery. When Belvedere approached me to create a one-of-a-kind piece, I was really drawn to the simplicity of the elements. The water and the rye being brought to life by fire, it felt almost like alchemy. I create all of my jewellery through the power of the naked flame. Creating a candlestick that holds the fire, that actually sparks the whole creative process, feels like such a beautiful full circle. The symbol of the key in the candlestick is all about unlocking new beginnings and unlocking your own creativity. This golden candlestick would be the most magical centerpiece for a dinner party with Belvedere. I love the ritualistic practice of gathering people around a table to break bread, share food and stories over candlelight. My work is all about bringing people together, much like Belvedere's.